So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down until you find Internet Information Services. You want to tick both of these boxes. Now you want to expand Internet Information Services. Make sure that you have Web Management Tools selected and Worldwide Web Services also selected. So just copy what you see on my screen. You want to select these 4 things and then click on OK. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been installed, you want to click on close. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in Internet Information Services Manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on stop and then click on start and then click on restart. Next, you want to expand this right here, your computer name. Now you want to expand sites. Now you want to click on default website. Now once you select default website, now you want to click on restart. For the next step, you want to click on application pools. Now you want to click on your pool right here. For me, it's going to be default app pool. I'm going to click on that. And now on the right hand side, you want to click on basic settings. You want to select your .NET version and then click on OK. Now you want to restart your computer. And this should now fix your problem.